This is Smith Welding. I'm Adam Niffen. I'm your host. Stroll around the shop with us. Check out what we got in here today. It's always fun and interesting. All right, Rowan. Show us what's going on here. Show us how you hook this thing up. This is my son Rowan, my daughter Ivy. Rowan's helping us in the shop today. I get them for a week.
Okay. They
hang out and play mostly. All right, what is this thing? What's this contraption? Explain it like somebody's never seen it before.
It's a sandblaster. You sandblast parts with it.
Okay, how do you set this all up and why does it work the way it does? Show us. Come on.
Well, you set this up. You need a vacuum.
Pull that plastic down from there. Let's see it. Okay, so it's hooked up to the blaster.
Yep.
Well.
And then you plug this in.
Uh-huh.
And your part is supposed to be in here.
And it is. Show us the part you're sandblasting today, sir. What is that?
Gas thingy.
No. It's a motorcycle fender for a Harley Davidson Sportster.
Oh.
Say it. What do you got there, son?
Motorcycle fender for... I forget.
It's a Harley. It's a Sportster. What do you want, a custom paint job on that? So you're gonna clean that up for me?
Can I?
You can help some. Let Bubby get in there and do what he's got to, and you can help him out. Alright. This. You can't see nothing in there. You can see through there. Eyes on it, but. Alright. We got the light on. We got the vacuum going. We'll check in on you in a bit. Alright, so I've exhausted my capacity and ability with that. On getting this dent any further out better than it is. This one's not so bad. So we're gonna do lead. It's on a Harley. We're gonna do lead. We broke down, we tried sandblasting and everything else. Not a lot of great luck. So we went ahead and used a chemical strip agent. I didn't show that. Everybody's seen people strip cars, okay? No, there's no mystery there. Put the goop on, let it set, scrape it off, repeat. We pressure washed them off when we were done. I got a lot of cleanup to do, but we're closing in on the end of this motorcycle project. Alright, so as I straighten up the camera just a scooch. We're gonna clean up this area better. Alright, sandpaper didn't get it all right, so we're going to come in here with a cordless drill with a wire wheel. Right quick, what I want to see is how bad the localized damage is as I drop shit on the floor. How bad the localized damage is. Take a 6-tooth file. Yeah, see, I just want to make sure I don't have any brow. I want to make sure it's all indented before I get this started, you know? got the tallow. Right now what I got to do is acid brush, flux. Stir it up, get all the components mixed in. There's lead in this flux, so I don't have to tin it the old-fashioned way. Put the flux on there and then rub a little bit of lead and all that. It was just so happenstance this was the product I bought. It doesn't have anything to do with preference. I'm still fresh enough at this particular art. I can tell you I have a preference. I use what I got. We're going to override the damage area just like you would with Bondo. 20 to 30%. Maybe more, like around this. I want to make sure, no matter what happens, I got all my issues filled. I don't want to come back to this and have to flux it up again and deal with those headaches. We're just going to do one side at a time. This being the worst one, I'll show you. Patience, I think, is going to be your biggest deal. Alright. What I went and got myself set up with this time, it's flexible wand, auto starting, has the hold down so it'll stay going. Map gas. I like map gas because it heats quickly and evenly. You're not going to blow holes in metal like you can with acetylene. Not that this operation would yield that result, but I'm saying you can't blow holes in metal with it. I prefer map gas when I'm heating, soldering. Doing all that sort of thing. I haven't actually used map gas for lead before. We'll see how it goes. Best team I've accomplished in lead work. That's got to be the best tuning that I've accomplished in lead work ever. It looks fantastic. So when we get lead out, literally, when we pull lead out, we get